Hello 3D. For maths today, what I'd like you to do is go onto the Daily 10 website. You can practice your times tables on there as well if you would like. Go to level 3 and fractions. And then I want you to have a go at some of the games on here. We've got fractions of amounts, halves, thirds, quarters, and fifths. So you need to use your times table knowledge to help you. So if we're finding half, you need to divide by 2. If we're finding a third, you need to divide by 3. If we're finding a quarter, you need to divide by 4. And if we're finding a fifth, you need to divide by 5. And we know all those times tables. You've worked so hard this year. So if I click on an example, so, oh, a third, sorry, I want half. So it's linked, it says at the top there, linked to 2 times tables. So half of 8, so you need to do 8 divided by 2, which would be 4. Half of 20, 20 divided by 2, and so on and so forth. We've done this before. So that's what I would like you to do first. Then there's this sheet where you have to colour and label the fractions. So that's fractions of amounts, the Daily 10 game. This is fractions of shapes. So it gives you the fraction and the shape. So you need to look at the denominator to see how many parts there are altogether. And your numerator, the number on the top, tells you how many you'll need to shade in. Okay, so you can make them nice and bright and colourful. There's 3, the answers are there as well for you to check. But there's 1 star, 2 star, and 3 star. So you could challenge yourself by having a go at the 3 star one. Ooh, I think you're more than capable of doing that. And then there's also a dominoes game. So you can print this off if you've got a printer and play it. So the instructions are at the top there. If you don't have a printer, you could make your own matching domino activity. So you could write half on a piece of paper and then you could draw a half on another sheet. So let me scroll down and find what a half would look like on here. That would be half, wouldn't it? Because there's 4 parts and 2 of them are shaded. So that would be a half. So you can make your own representations for the fractions. Okay, so that's what I would like you to do for maths today. Send it through when you're done. I am looking forward to seeing your hard work.